The purpose of the research was to look at the impact of the Tagtiv8 programme on physical activity levels and academic achievement in primary school children when we compare it to seated classroom lessons. Recent research has shown that from the age of 7, physical activity is declining, and when we look at what we call a segmented school day, we find that lesson times are the most inactive time within a child's life. With the release of the current obesity plan, schools have been asked to achieve 30 minutes of in-school physical activity, typically at break, at lunch and after school. Yet we've seen this happen over the last 5 or 10 years and no change is actually occurring when we assess physical activity. The way we did the research was to use a high quality, what's called a randomised control design. So working at the individual level with each pupil, we allocated them to a classroom session or to the Tagtiv8 programme. Within that, we used some really high quality objective measures such as accelerometers and also some validated tests of academic performance that meant we had robust findings from both of those programmes that we could compare. The results of the research show that a Tagtiv8 lesson can lead to 10 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity, which is 9 minutes more than an in-class lesson. If we look at sedentary time, 2/3 of in-class lesson time is spent sitting. This was reduced by 15.5 minutes in a Tagtiv8 lesson. The results show that the Tagtiv8 lesson led to improvements in academic ability in both speed and accuracy when compared to the classroom lesson. While these were only small improvements, we have to remember it's one 45-minute lesson, so small improvements accumulated over time may lead to substantial improvements when we add these together, which could have significant impact on the children learning in an active way. I see this research being very informative in terms of how we can influence not only physical activity within the school environment, but also how to deliver academic material. I think there's a real opportunity using these results to establish Tagtiv8 as an active learning programme that can be used in schools to help improve physical activity levels and the academic attainment of children, not just over one session, but over an extended period of time.